Hello everyone, myself Shagun Gupta. I am the student of Isabella Thoburn College. I am pursuing from Maths and my college roll number is 225068. I am going to present a topic in front of you which is taken from the tensor algebra, and my topic name is contravariant vector, covariant vector and a mixed tensor. So first of all we'll discuss what is contravariant vector. Those vectors which have been written in the form of superscript a to the power superscript I. I denotes our contravariant vector are a function x to the superscript I. This is for one system, and similarly in the second system we had taken a dash I, and this contravariant vector is of type 1, 0 type, which is written as a superscript dash I is equals to a to the superscript alpha partial derivative of x with respect to I partial derivative of x with respect to alpha. Here I belongs to I is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to n, and alpha is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to n. So a superscript dash I are contravariant vector or transformation, or we call it as contravariant tensor of rank 1. A to the superscript alpha is a component of contravariant vector. This is of rank 1. And similarly, what is covariant vector? Covariant vector is those kinds of vector which can be written in the subscript. In contravariant we have written in superscript, and in covariant we have written in subscript. So a to the power subscript I are n function of variable x dash I in one system, and similarly in second system we had written this: if a subscript I is equals to a alpha partial derivative of x with respect to alpha partial derivative of x I, it is of 0, 1 type, because generally we denote type as this is for contravariant, this is for covariant. So here in this term we don't have any contravariant term, we generally have our covariant term which is of order 1. So we can write as 0, 1 type tensor. Now we will discuss contravariant vector of rank 2. What is contravariant vector of rank 2? A to the power ij. In first system in rank 1 we have taken only I, and now in this we have taken ij, so it is of rank 2, which is I is less than equals to 1 and j belongs to n, are n square functions. Variable x to the power superscript I in one system, and similarly in another second system of order 2. Variable x to the power dash I. A contravariant alpha beta is a component of rank 2 order. We have taken alpha beta 2 components for describing rank 2 tensor, and formula is this. Now what is covariant vector? And it is of order 2, 0 because 2 is for contravariant. In contravariant we have taken two terms, two components, that is I and j. So 1 for I, 1 for j, 1 plus 1 2. So we have taken 2, 0 type, and no covariant factor is present. So in the covariant type this is 0 and contravariant 2. So we call it 2, 0 type. Similarly in covariant vector, a subscript ij is equals to a alpha beta partial derivative of alpha upon partial derivative of x with respect to I partial derivative of beta upon partial derivative of x with respect to j, because we have taken two component I and j and it is in covariant. So it can be written in subscript, not a superscript. And also this is of 0, 2 type. 0, 2 is written here because it is of covariant tensor and it is of order 2, I and j, so we can written it 0, 2 type. Now what is mixed tensor? Mixed tensor is generally it is a mixture of covariant and contravariant tensor. Mixed tensor can be written as a in the superscript I and subscript j. As I already told you, that is the combination of covariant and contravariant vector. So a to the power I subscript I that describe contravariant vector, and a subscript j describe covariant vector. It is written as this form. I in the contravariant and J in the covariant. A to the power superscript I up I1 I2 I up to IR, and in subscript J J1 J2 up to JS. It is a tensor of type R, S. R is for contravariant rank and S for covariant, and when we sum up both we get rank of mixed tensor. Thank you so much.